Hey guys, if I made the other video that was slime, I am sorry for the big noises. It just started, so let's start off with the neon green. I'm sorry for the noise that is making really loud noise. Tell me which one is your favorite. Neon green. This is the neon green sound. That's neon green. This is fall. That's not fall. The fall is really good. Duck. This is my dad's. This is the one that was making lots of noises. That's duck. White spiders. If you guys play this game, I could gift you. Just tell me if you guys want any of my slimes, Crush Green, or anything. All I do is just look back at the video, tell me which slime you want, and I'll give it to you as a gift. Ooh, this one's really crunchy. That one's crunchy too. Blue. Alright, what's your slime? I have 2 winter slimes and 2 blues. Oh yes, can I do the second one? I bet it's orange. Cause last time I played, what's it called? Blue, and I bet it's gonna be orange. I hope. I was like, what? It's white? I'm coming. Well, that was a little bad, but whatever. This is just a random one. I didn't name it. I don't know why. I'll call it Aqua. This is a unicorn slime. If you guys want my unicorn slime, what did I do? Comment down below. Galaxy slime. That was my favorite too. Period slime. Oops. I don't know why I made this one. My cousin were like, ooh, it's like a period slime. I was like, I don't know. Like, girls have periods, so it's like normal for girls. Boys don't have periods. So it's not that normal for boys. But I might delete this one. I hate when flippin' ads pop up. I don't like touching that one. Poop slime. Diarrhea slime. And now pop up the kiwi. We call this a kiwi because there's kiwis. Even though there's watermelons and lemons. Like, who cares? I named it, and then you're like, yeah, sure. Alright, we got the monster slime. Duck pink. Grinch. Why did I make this kind of sound? Because in the Grinch, there's an animated one, and the alright, he was, and snow, and they were making that sound. This was fun. Color one. Ooh, strange. Spooky. Spooky scary skeleton that shiver down the spine. Well, that's a rainbow now. Country red. Not that country. Candy slime. Whoop whoop. Let's skip that. We'll really see on the front. Got the classics. These aren't mine. These are just all like first ones that they always say. Wow. I'm Sam. Where's the magical one? Oh, the magical ones. I like this one. It's because of noise. I wonder which one is this one. I'm going to end it here. Hope you guys like this video. Subscribe and like and turn on those notifications. Bye!